Now you can learn AI for free. Yeah, you heard that right. Completely free, and from the people who actually built it. OpenAI has just launched OpenAI Academy, a brand new educational platform offering 100% free courses, tutorials, and hands-on workshops to help anyone, anywhere, master AI. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a developer, or just plain curious, this is your chance to get real-world AI knowledge straight from the source. And here are 5 game-changing courses you absolutely need to check out. Number 1, ChatGPT on campus. This one's perfect for students and young professionals. Learn how to save time, boost productivity, explore career paths, and even craft killer resumes and cover letters using AI. It'll also sharpen your prompt engineering skills and show you how to crush your research, writing, and study sessions with ChatGPT by your side. Number 2, ChatGPT at work. If you're working in any industry, this is your power-up. You'll dive into the basics of LLMs and GPTs, master ChatGPT search, and learn how to use AI for serious stuff like data analysis and workflow automation. Plus, advanced prompt engineering techniques covered. Number 3, developer build hours. For the builders and coders out there, this one's a goldmine. You'll learn how to call functions, build AI assistants and agents, fine-tune your own models, and boost performance using smart techniques like distillation. You'll also explore reasoning models, evals, and how to create structured outputs. This is real dev-level training. Number 4, Sora Tutorials. Ready to get creative? Sora is OpenAI's video generation tool, and this course will teach you everything. From Sora basics to storyboarding your ideas and remixing, looping, and cutting videos with cinematic flair. It's all about turning your imagination into stunning AI-generated visuals. And number 5, AI for K-12 educators. Teachers, this one's for you. Learn how to introduce AI in classrooms, use it responsibly, and engage students with tools that make learning more interactive and future-ready. From generative AI to smart prompt strategies, this course gives you everything you need to lead the AI wave in education. And that's just the beginning. OpenAI Academy is packed with more courses, live sessions, and events that you can jump into right now. So whether you're starting fresh or leveling up, this platform is your all-access pass to the world of AI, and it's completely free. Hit that like button, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and make sure you subscribe for more updates like this. Your AI journey starts now. Go check out OpenAI Academy, and I'll see you in the next one.